Project GAZE po ay aming proyekto para sa inclusive education. Alam naman po natin na marami pa rin LGBT individuals ang nakakaranas ng diskriminasyon sa mga paaralan. Kaya syempre tutugon ng pantay. Kaya ngayon sineselebrate natin kasi marami ng schools ang tumugon para maging inclusive ang kanilang mga paaralan. Dati nagsimula tayo sa 4, ngayon meron na tayong 10 more schools from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Kaya po ngayon, kahit po patapos na yung aming programa, patuloy pa rin ang aming advokasya para mas marami pang estudyante regardless of their gender ay ligtas mula sa diskriminasyon dahil gusto natin to make PH schools inclusive. Salamat po!
Hello Project GAZE and hello Pantay. I just want to say na I'm so proud of this project. I hope na we can make many more projects na ganito kasi we can make the world a better place, one report card at a time. Thank you.
First of all, congratulations Project GAZE and sana mas lumawak pa ang proyekto na to dahil deserve ng mga estudyante ng mas maraming inclusive school. So, let's make more our inclusive school here in Philippines. Congrats, Project GAZE!
Sabi ko mahihiya yung mga straight people. Sobrang ganda pag talagang diverse, no? Yung diversity, inclusion, mararamdaman mo. Pag may straight people dito, mapapa-join talaga sa amin.
Maraming salamat sa Pantay for your leadership, sa ating partner schools for your courage, at sa kabataang Pilipino who continue to lead this movement with compassion and conviction. Pantay, we are so proud of you and to be your partner. Congratulations! Maraming salamat po at magandang gabi po.
Tonight, let us celebrate, but let us also recommit. Because while we honor our victories today, the work for equality, dignity, and fully inclusive schools continues tomorrow. Maraming salamat, mabuhay po tayong lahat. Have a beautiful evening. Make PH schools inclusive.
Ang edukasyon ay dapat maging daan para sa pag-unlad ng lahat. Muli, congratulations sa Pantay at maraming salamat sa inyong pagsisikap para maabot natin ng isang ligtas, patas at mas makataong kinabukasan para sa bawat kabataan.
Congratulations to Pantay for leading Project GAZE and to everyone who continues to champion safe spaces gender equality in our schools.
Pantay, thank you for reminding us that schools are places for learning and for becoming.
Patuloy tayong lalaban hindi lang para sa sarili natin, kundi para sa bawat estudyante na nangangarap ng ligtas, pantay at inklusibong paaralan.
But all I can say is that do your best, your qualities will shine. Whether you like it or not, if you put your heart to it. And when your qualities shine, people forget who you are.
Gather to mark the culmination of Project GAZE. But in this culmination, we are not just closing a chapter, we're celebrating a movement we've built. A movement that we've rooted in courage, in hope, in the belief that every student and every school personnel, queer or non-queer, deserves to not just survive but also thrive.